Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Plug in a known good external keyboard or ensure laptop power because you need input while fixing drivers. Once done, create a system restore point so you can roll back if something breaks. Now open Device Manager, expand keyboards and note the listed devices. You're starting with hardware verification and a safe restore snapshot. This avoids guessing. Make sure to keep administrative rights. You'll require them to uninstall drivers and run system repairs in the next step. You now perform the core repair steps. First, right-click the keyboard entries and choose Uninstall. Check the box to remove driver software when present. After that, select Action Scan for hardware changes to force redetection or plug the keyboard back in. Next, run sfc/scano and then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health in an elevated shell because corrupted system files can break input. These commands repair system integrity. Once finished, they let Windows fetch and reinstall correct drivers automatically. Finish by restarting the PC to apply driver and system repairs. Then verify settings time and language typing and region and language to ensure the correct layout. If Windows reinstall didn't help, download and install the OEM keyboard driver from the manufacturer because generic drivers sometimes fail. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to see if a startup app or service is blocking input. If keyboard works in safe mode, disable recent apps. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals the underlying conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.